Good morning. In the previous video, we learned about viruses, types of viruses, diseases caused by viruses, structure of viruses such as influenza, bacteriophage, etc. We also learned about useful microorganisms, commercial use of microorganisms such as yeast. Yeast is used in the preparation of bakery products such as buns, breads, cakes, pastries, etc. We learn fermentation. Fermentation is discovered by Louis Pasteur in 1857. Let us learn some more useful microorganisms. Mycoderma acetobacteria is used in producing vinegar. Some bacteria help in ripening of tea leaves, which gives tea its characteristic flavor. Fermentation of some fungi is used in preparation of citric acid and oxalic acid. Let us learn medical use of microbes. When we fall ill, doctor gives us some medicines in the form of tablets, capsules or injections. The source of these medicines is microorganisms. These medicines kill or stop the growth of the disease caused microorganisms. How the antibiotics are prepared? The antibiotics in industry are manufactured by growing specific microorganisms under controlled conditions. Pathogens. What are pathogens? The disease causing microorganisms are called pathogens. Antibiotics are also used in the treatment of infections in humans as well as in animals. What are antibiotics? The medicines which will kill or stop the growth of microorganisms which causes diseases are called antibiotics. The first discovered antibiotic is penicillin. It was discovered by Alexander Fleming in 1929. He discovered penicillin from a mold called Penicillium notatum. In 1929, Alexander Fleming was cultivating a culture of disease-causing bacteria. Suddenly, he found spores of fungus in one of the plates. He observed that presence of mold prevented the growth of disease-causing bacteria. Penicillin is used to cure many microbial diseases. Penicillin is also used to control bacterial and fungal infections. Antibiotics. Well-known antibiotics are gramicidin, sulfadazine, streptomycin, tetracycline, erythromycin, etc. Antibiotics even mixed with the feed of livestock and poultry to check the microbial infections in animals. Antibiotics are also used to control many plant diseases. Antibiotics are not effective against the diseases caused by viruses. Antibiotics are not used to cure the diseases like common cold, flu, viral fever, etc. because these diseases are caused by viruses. Precautions that should be followed while using antibiotics are: antibiotics should be given by a qualified doctor. Complete the course. Correct dosage should be taken. Never take them unnecessarily. Antibiotics should be taken by the advice of a qualified doctor. Complete the course prescribed by the doctor. Don't take the wrong dose. If you take wrong dose, it may make the drug less effective when we need it in future. Never take them unnecessarily because they may kill the useful bacteria in the body. Vaccine. What is a vaccine? The substance used to produce immunity to diseases in the body is called a vaccine. What is immunity? The ability of a body to fight or to resist or fight against the disease causing germs is called immunity. What is vaccination? Vaccines are introduced into the body to induce the formation of antibodies that fight against microorganisms. This is called vaccination. How does a vaccine work? Vaccines are dead and weakened microbes. They do not harm the body. When a disease carrying microbe enters our body, the body produces antibodies to fight the invader. The body fights and kills them by producing suitable antibodies. They remain in the body and protect us. Cholera, smallpox, polio, typhoid, whooping cough, tuberculosis are prevented by vaccination. Edward Jenner discovered the vaccine for smallpox in 1798. He is called the father of immunology. It is necessary to us to protect our children from these diseases. The vaccines are available in the hospitals. Uses of microorganisms. Microbes as source of food. Microorganisms help in agriculture. Microorganisms help in increasing the soil fertility. Microorganisms help in cleaning up of the environment. Microorganisms help in sewage disposal. Microorganisms are used in industries. Let us learn one by one. Microbes as a source of food. Yeast is rich in proteins and vitamin B. Algae like the chlorella and seaweeds are eaten as a food in Japan and China, and some algae are food to fish and sea animals. Microorganisms help in agriculture. Rhizobium bacteria present in the root nodules of the leguminous plants can fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil by converting it in the form of nitrates. Blue-green algae present in the soil also can fix the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil in the form of nitrates. These are called as the nitrogen fixers. By fixing the atmospheric nitrogen in the soil in the form of nitrates, it increases the soil fertility. Microorganisms help in cleaning up of the environment. Many microorganisms like bacteria and fungi decompose the waste materials of plants and animals into simple inorganic substances. Inorganic substances like phosphate, nitrates, sulfates are mixed in the soil, and these are used by the green plants during photosynthesis. So these are called as the decomposers. Bacteria decomposes sewage disposal into useful substances. During the treatment of sewage, anaerobic bacteria changes it into methane gas, which is called as the biogas. Microorganisms used in industry. Bacteria is used in leather industry for tanning the skin of animals and making the leather soft. Bacteria is used in the jute industry for separation of jute from the stem by destroying the stem tissues. This is called retting.